Hello, and welcome back to our channel, Health and Wellness Explorers. Today, we have an exciting topic that will surely leave you craving for a healthy meal. We're going to explore the incredible health benefits of eating lettuce, the unsung hero of the vegetable world. So, let's dive right in. Nutritional powerhouse. Did you know that lettuce is not just a leafy green but also a nutritional powerhouse? Let's start by understanding its impressive nutritional profile. Lettuce is low in calories and high in essential vitamins and minerals. It's a great source of vitamin K, which plays a vital role in bone health and blood clotting. It contains vitamin A, which promotes healthy vision and boosts the immune system. Lettuce is rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports skin health and boosts collagen production. It's also a good source of folate, a B vitamin essential for cell growth and development. Promoting digestive health. Did you know that incorporating lettuce into your diet can do wonders for your digestive system? Lettuce is high in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. The fiber content helps prevent constipation and keeps your gut healthy. It also supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Lettuce's high water content contributes to hydration, assisting in maintaining optimal digestive function. Heart health booster. Taking care of our heart health is crucial, and lettuce can play a significant role in keeping our hearts happy. Lettuce is low in sodium and contains potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. The presence of antioxidants in lettuce helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, reducing the risk of heart disease. The high fiber content assists in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Lettuce also contains nitrate, which promotes blood vessel dilation and improved blood flow. Weight management and skin health. If you're looking to shed a few pounds or improve your skin, lettuce should be on your plate. Lettuce is low in calories and high in fiber, making it an excellent choice for weight management. The high water content and low energy density make you feel fuller for longer. Lettuce's antioxidants and vitamin C contribute to healthier, glowing skin. The hydrating properties of lettuce can help combat dryness and keep your skin moisturized. Recipe ideas and tips. Now that we've learned about the health benefits, let's explore some delicious ways to incorporate lettuce into your meals. Salads are an obvious choice, but try mixing different lettuce varieties and adding colorful veggies and protein-rich ingredients for a well-rounded meal. Consider using lettuce leaves as a healthy wrap alternative, filled with lean protein and your favorite toppings. Experiment with lettuce in smoothies or juices for an added nutrient boost. Remember to wash lettuce thoroughly before use and store it properly to maintain its freshness. And there you have it, the incredible health benefits of eating lettuce. From its nutritional value to promoting digestive health, supporting heart health, aiding weight management, and boosting skin health, lettuce truly earns its title as a green superfood. So, why not make lettuce a regular part of your meals? Whether you enjoy a refreshing salad or get creative with lettuce wraps, let this humble vegetable work its magic in your health journey. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, your health is your wealth. So, go ahead and enjoy the goodness of lettuce. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the world of health and wellness. Goodbye.